Hi guys, Dr. Mary Rensel. I'm owner of BrainFresh. If you want to check me out, I'm on brainfresh.org. I help women docs feel empowered with fun and foundational neuroscience strategies to increase their options, their creativity, and the meaning in their lives so they can feel like they had a deep impact in this world, that they used all their gifts and their strengths to their full value. Why did I build BrainFresh? Well, once I hit 50, I was thinking about getting an MBA. I wasn't sure. Maybe I would do this or that. And I thought, okay, I hit 50. I was like, all right, I gotta go. Like it's time. I could see an end date, that I will not be working forever. And if I want to build this, I need to build it now. So I built something called BrainFresh. I built it for women docs and healthcare workers because I work in healthcare. I've been in healthcare for 30 years as a neuroimmunologist. And I see the persistent, gender inequities, racial inequities, LGBTQI inequities. And I was just done with the status quo. I was like, I tried to make impact within, healthcare. And so I went outside of healthcare and I hung out with women in business. I built kind of like an Ocean 11 team of women in all different industries. I wanted to learn from them, like, what are they doing so I can bring it back to healthcare? So I hung out with them for a while and figured out what they were doing. And then I got a business coach. I started a business and another business. And I've learned that there are ways to feel empowered. There are ways to see new options. There are ways to feel more positive, like you can have an impact. I see a lot of people in healthcare just want to get out. Like they don't see any options. They don't feel empowered. They just want to get out. They feel completely devalued, even though they've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on training, all kind of hours, training, years and years of, neurology is 4 years, and then 2 years of fellowship for myself. So lots of years of training to be the most, high, precise, well-trained, efficient doc. But yet learning those foundational neuroscience strategies that should be in place wasn't happening. I just didn't see a systematic way it was happening. And I thought, okay, I can build that. I can build courses. I can build a community. I can give a place and be a place where people can come and learn and then take it back to their own teams. So that's what I did. So I built BrainFresh. I just feel really strongly that information just should be shared equitably. So I do have a YouTube channel so people can learn there and interact and share their learnings and their questions. I like to honor the human being, the spirit, the brain. I have a strong bias toward neuroscience. And I want to make sure people can leave an impact if they want to work fully in their gifts and strengths. I feel like we're all here for a reason, and we are here to leave an impact and make a difference in this world. But we can't do that if we're exhausted and feel stuck and just angry at work. So that's why I built BrainFresh. I'm a builder. I like to be creative. I've been creative my whole life. And I need to be creating something because that's just how I'm made. So check me out, check our team out, brainfresh.org. Right now we have a deal for women in medicine to come into our monthly membership. It's called Brain Hammock. And we learn together, we grow together. We support one another, and it's virtual, it's group coaching, it's one-on-one coaching for some. So the one-on-one coaching may fill up. So just right now we have a deal. It's called, the coupon code is surprise. So use surprise in Brain Hammock. And I could put the link in the video, but check it out. I would love to meet you and to support you in your growth. I honor growth. I honor learning and creativity and building. And I know you're doing amazing things, and a little bit of support and foundational neuroscience strategies I've seen make a big difference. So please reach out with any question you have. And I'm glad to also share my free 10-point productivity cheat sheet list for you. So just DM me and I'm glad to share that with you. Okay, you got this, and keep it up. You're doing amazing work, but please take care of yourself.